In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address in Outlook on the web. If messages from someone you trust have stopped showing up, there's a good chance that address or domain was added to your blocked list. Unblocking it takes just a minute, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can start receiving those emails again right away. First, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com. Sign into your account if you're prompted. Once your mailbox loads, we're going to head to the area where account options live. Open the File menu. Depending on your layout, this may appear alongside your account details or general settings. The goal is to reach the section where you manage your Outlook account options. From there, choose Account Info. This is where Outlook groups the controls related to your account and how your mailbox behaves. Inside Account Info, select Mail. That will take you to the mail-related settings where you can manage filtering and junk controls. On the Mail settings page, open Junk Mail. This is where Outlook keeps the rules that decide what's allowed into your inbox and what gets filtered out. Within Junk Mail, find and open blocked senders and domains. This list contains the email addresses and entire domains that you've told Outlook to block. When an address or domain is on this list, messages from it are automatically kept out of your inbox. Now locate the email address or domain you want to unblock. Click to select it, and then click the trash icon. That removes it from your blocked list. Changes here typically save automatically, so you don't need to do anything else. If you removed the wrong entry by mistake, you can add it back later, but for now, the address you cleared should be able to reach your inbox again. At this point, return to your mailbox and keep an eye on new messages. If the sender emails you again, their message should land in your inbox rather than being filtered. If you still don't see it, give the page a quick refresh and check your junk folder just in case the email arrived while you were updating settings. That's all there is to it. You went to outlook.live.com, opened File, selected Account Info, chose Mail, opened Junk Mail, went into blocked senders and domains, and removed the entry with the trash icon. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you restore your missing messages quickly and confidently.